If you're seeing a Monday.com error in your formula column, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. Formula column errors are usually caused by a browser issue, a slow or unstable internet connection, cached data, a browser extension conflict, or a problem in the formula itself. The good news is that most of the time, you can solve it in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Let's start with the easiest fix first. Refresh the page. Sometimes Monday.com just needs a quick reload to reconnect properly and recalculate the formula column. If the error disappears after refreshing, then the problem was likely temporary. If not, move on to checking your internet speed. Open a new browser tab, search for a speed test, and run a quick test. If your connection is slow or unstable, Monday.com may struggle to load formulas correctly or update values in real time. If your internet looks fine, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows, or use the equivalent shortcut on Mac. In the cleanup window, select Cache and Cookies, then clear the data and restart your browser. Old or corrupted browser files can interfere with Monday.com and cause formula column errors, so this step is often very effective. After your browser restarts, go back to your board and check whether the formula column is working again. If the issue is still there, the next thing to try is disabling browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers, can interfere with Monday.com's interface and break formulas or prevent them from calculating properly. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off any ad blockers or suspicious extensions one by one. After disabling them, reload Monday.com and test the formula column again. If the error is gone, you found the conflict. Now let's check the formula setup itself, because this is one of the most common reasons for formula column errors. Open Monday.com and go to the board where the error is showing. Click the formula column, open the column menu, and choose Edit Formula. Carefully review the formula syntax and make sure every function, bracket, and reference is written correctly. Even one missing parenthesis, an extra comma, or a mistyped column name can cause the formula to fail. Also verify that all referenced columns actually exist on the board and that they are the correct type. If your formula is trying to use a text column, number column, date column, or status column, make sure the references match what the formula expects. If a column was renamed or deleted, the formula may break. Correct any issues you find, save the formula, and see if the error clears. In many cases, fixing the syntax and checking the referenced columns is the final solution. If you've gone through all of these steps and the Monday.com formula column error still hasn't gone away, the issue may be specific to the board structure or a temporary Monday.com service problem. At that point, try duplicating the board, testing the formula in a fresh column, or contacting Monday.com support with a screenshot of the error. But in most cases, refreshing the page, checking your internet, clearing cache and cookies, disabling extensions, and reviewing the formula setup will fix the problem. If this guide helped you fix the Monday.com error formula column, please give the video a like and subscribe for more step-by-step troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.